Hi, my name is Rishav Kumar and I'm a BTech Civil Engineering student at Amity University Madhya Pradesh. When I first joined Amity University, I was very eager to learn about civil engineering, but was unsure where to fit in.
Thanks to the incredible guidance from our faculty, I quickly found my footing. The professors aren't just educators, they are mentors, motivators, and in many ways are role models. They ensure that we don't just memorize concepts but understand their real world application. What impressed me the most was how the department ensured that theory and practice went hand in hand. Our labs were always buzzing with activity. We had exposure to live projects, weekly expert lectures by working professionals, and mock site management simulations.
We are not just taught through live projects, internships, and interdisciplinary collaboration. We gain our skills, mindsets, and confidence to which we can become tomorrow's civil leaders.